We got some crabs.
Wow.
Okay.
It was satisfying.
Whipped cream.
That was like that was a nice shot.
Oh,
that was
that's
like
nice.
WD-40 and then just some cream came out.
Ooh. That's some satisfying stuff there. Ooh, a little bit.
Damn, it's like a little hide the screw dowel kind of.
Hide the screw
button.
down. Oh, nice. That was really
Alright.
cool.
Surely
That was
nice
nice.
technique.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But what
I
he
like
gonna do?
it. I like
no,
what I
he
see.
didn't nail it well
No,
enough.
he
didn't
didn't.
screw it.
No, it was a nice
It's an
little
editing magic.
Little
Yeah,
dowel.
it's really nice.
I love
Nicely
it.
filmed.
I love it.
Corkwood.
Corkwood.
What is
You
this?
mean just cork?
It's
It's a chair and a table.
It's a table chair.
It's a table.
Auto chairs. Transform.
Yeah. Look at this. It's a huge chair.
Damn.
That is so. No, it's a chair and a ladder.
It's a ladder.
That's
Whoa.
nice.
I love
Very
it.
nice.
I love it.
Love that.
Love it. Love it.
Okay.
All right, what's this? What's
We're doing
this?
crisscross applesauce. Looks like steak.
Applesauce.
Is it another
All
chair?
right, I see what he's doing.
Ooh, he's making a mini city inside of a wood.
He's carving it out.
For
Oh.
what?
He's just carving it out.
Okay, as a toilet.
I don't know.
As a
maybe
sink, maybe.
Maybe a sink.
Oh, sink.
Wooden sink?
Yeah.
That's
there we go.
cool.
Yeah, like he's cutting it in half.
Oh,
and
so he's
probably
gonna
do
put
a
some
hole
like
now. Yeah.
laminate on it, and resin,
Lemon.
some resin
Lemon?
around it to make
Lemon.
it like sinkify.
All right, get the bark off
Ooh, cool.
with a chisel.
All right.
All right.
Bark,
Good stuff.
bark,
Good
bark.
stuff. Good stuff.
Epoxy.
There we go. You're right. You called it.
The resin.
Epoxy resin.
Nice.
Yeah.
I don't know about blue, but
Get
all
a bit
right.
of a sand. No, blue's nice. Blue's
Yeah?
nice.
Okay.
Okay, as long as you say so.
Looking good.
All right.
Oh, it doesn't look blue anymore.
I think that's for the faucet.
Yeah, probably. Are we sure this is a sink though?
It looks like
It's a sink.
Called it.
Ooh, that's nice.
Nice.
I like
Nice.
that sink.
And see how nice the blue goes as well. Very nice.
Yeah.
Good
Okay.
stuff, sir. Good stuff.
We're drilling in the wood.
Wood drilling.
Wood.
Okay, what's happening here?
Just a lot
I didn't
of-
know that tool was for that. I genuinely thought it was like a chopstick.
Ooh, wood tool. All right.
Another sink potentially.
Two sinks in a row?
They wouldn't
I
do two sinks in a
doubt
row.
Yeah. Sure, but
It looks like a giant faucet head.
Wait, what if you're right? What if it's two sinks in a row?
It could be two sinks in a row. Look, it's the drain.
but
It's
why?
the drain.
Why he made holes before that?
To
Break apart the wood, right?
yeah.
It's,
Oh my God! It is
It's
two
a
sinks in it.
Yes!
The other one was way better.
Yeah, true.
way better.
Better.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, guy.
Let's be honest.
Okay, what is this?
But
A table.
Ah, I know this technique. It's to hide the screws or nails.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
it's
And then you put it back down with glue and
What?
yeah,
That's all it meant.
yeah.
That's cool. Okay.
That's cool.
That's how you hide your problems.
That's exactly what I do
Under
with
the carpet!
all my trauma.
All right, Japanese bone saw.
Bonsa.
Bone saw.
And
Can't feel trauma if you can't feel emotions.
Oh, deep.
Okay, what is this for exactly? We're sanding it off the sides,
Sanding the
no
sides.
making it smooth, child-proofing it.
Could have used the router, but
Okay,
you
wood
work with
stain.
what you have, right?
It's like a bench.
like a small. I know. It's
That's
Oh,
so
it's a
cool.
little table.
It's a tablet for your
tablet.
tablet.
It's a little tablet for your tablet.
Okay, we got some more wood,
He's just
as
sticking-
expected.
He's just sticking it.
So
It's
It's a chair.
What? What sorcery is this? I love the knife.
it
Yeah.
was nice.
The
Ooh,
knife
nice
was
butcher
really
knife.
nice. It's
That
like
would
it's
do
like that. Yeah,
Japanese knife.
We got a box on top of.
We got a
okay.
box and a chair.
It's like a storage chair.
chair box.
Mm.
Auto chairs,
it's gonna be a-
transform.
A treasure chest.
A
treasure
chair,
chest.
chairs or chest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, nice, nice.
But
For some
All right,
all right, that doesn't look. I feel like you fall through it.
very boxy.
Yeah.
there. So what
Okay,
is
got a metal rod.
Is this like a bathroom unit?
Oh, we got a clay pot.
We'll see.
You know what? It could be definitely used as a bathroom.
yeah,
It's like a little,
it's
little
a toilet.
outhouse.
Little
Yeah,
outhouse.
you put a nice little plastic bag inside. You push this up, do your business, put it back down, use it as
I don't
a
know
chair.
if I would want to use that, sir.
It's like that South Park episode when they're
I
playing
don't know
World
what
of
it.
Warcraft. They're like, ma'am, coming, Eric.
It's the World of Warcraft one, right?
Yes,
Nice.
that's the one.
Okay.
So good.
So
Oh, it's a
No,
pirating board?
you're
What?
kidding me.
I did not expect that.
I did not expect.
To be honest,
that.
I don't like the color. It looks like blood.
honestly, I'm not sure that it's.
And it's a chair! That's kind of cool.
Okay, you do you guys.
The functionality is cool. I don't know if I like the design.
Careful there with your fingers, bro.
Zoom. Yeah, wear some gloves, my dude.
You know, you usually use a stick to do that.
Or does it have that sausage function where if the sausage touches it, then it just...
No, it doesn't have the sausage function.
I thought they all had the sausage function. Okay, we got some gold paint here.
All right.
Some glue or something.
Okay.
Got some little flat dowels.
Oh,
Ooh,
nice.
this looks
technique.
really satisfying.
Triangles are my favorite shape.
Illuminati. Don't know why I said it like that.
I'm pranked.
Okay.
All right. Ah, so close with your
Yeah,
fingers,
it's
bro.
not too close. He's a professional. He's a
He's
trained
Doesn't
professional,
matter. You gotta calm down.
He's a 5-minute
But
crafter.
if
You gotta calm down.
Now,
It's dangerous.
he would wear the gloves.
dowel it?
It will
He's
not
gonna
help
dowel it.
him.
No, that doesn't help. But still, you should use like a little stick to push it through.
He's bending.
That was a nice shot. I like that.
Yeah.
Where it was a split screen. That was really nice.
Bending the blade.
Bending the blade.
Ooh, got to smooth this out with a nice
See,
little
that's a
bearing.
router.
I hope he gonna
Alright,
put some
little
glass here in this.
I think I know
Triangle.
what this is. It's one of those
Toilets.
standing by themselves table, right?
Is it?
Standing by
Yeah,
themselves.
yeah.
Ah, I get
There
you.
we go.
Oh!
With the chain.
It's like the illusion or like the...
Yeah.
Cool, cool,
Oh.
cool, cool,
Not
cool.
illusion.
It's-
It's physical.
It's very, yeah, it's pure physics. It's quite hard to make as well to get that perfect balance.
Okay.
So hats off to you, good sir. You are doing a great job.
Tip of the cap to you as well.
Yes.
Tip of the cap. Okay, we're getting this bearing in there. Or sorry, a dowel in there.
There we go.
I wouldn't expect the dowel to be able to hold it. Like, it doesn't seem strong
Side
enough.
to side. There we go. That's how it's gonna hold.
Hey, nice.
Boom.
It's a wet dowel.
Really dowel. There we go.
We got the
Nice
wire.
string.
Or string, yes.
It should be very accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And pure tension as well.
I failed science, so
All right, moment of
Our
truth.
magic.
yeah.
Moment of truth.
Come on.
It's holding.
Yay!
Look at that.
Put something on it. Put something on
That
it.
is
That's
beautiful.
Why didn't you put something on
That
it?
is so good.
What if you put like a coffee
Probably
cup
break.
on it? Really?
Ah, no,
they,
he's
they
there
not
we
finished
go.
with it.
So,
Nice.
Here we
I need one of those. That's so
Wow.
cool.
You can make it.
Cool.
Okay.
Take it as a.
All right, let's
That's a lot
test
of
it.
effort. Yeah, let's test it.
Let's test it. Half of an hour plus.
Okay.
Hour.
I don't think it's a 5-minute
Okay,
craft.
doesn't
though.
matter.
That's much longer than 5 minutes.
It's a 5-hour craft.
5-hour craft, maybe. Yeah. 2-day craft. Okay, we're chipping. Is it another sink?
I hope it's not another sink.
It's another sink.
I know this guy. I've seen him around.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we've seen him around.
Teak oil.
Yeah.
What's teak oil?
It's like from tikka masala.
Oh, okay, got it. I didn't know. I was ignorant.
Ignorance is bliss.
Okay, we got some dowels again. I don't like how you left that glue on there.
Come on, guy. What are you doing?
Okay, weird sink, but okay.
It's not a sink.
This sink is weird. You know that last one looked more like a table to me.
Actually, I knew what it is.
Okay.
All right. What's this?
Got some paper.
It's leather, right?
Oh, it's leather. Okay.
Yeah, it's leather. Or
Fabric,
fabric. It's
glue.
fabric. Okay.
Leather with fabric.
Or maybe leather with fabric.
Play a game of pigskin.
Some faux leather. Yeah, I think it's faux leather.
What is happening here
He's
exactly?
sewing the leather. He's sewing a pocket.
Is this a wallet? This is a very
Is this a wallet?
impractical
So
wallet.
okay, I know what is this.
Guys, this
Your
is the weirdest
guesses.
sink I've ever seen.
I don't think it's a sink, and I don't think it's a wallet, but maybe it's a handbag.
No way. That's an
Yeah.
ugly handbag.
Boom! You see that?
Come on, man.
He doesn't have enough monies to buy his girlfriend a Valentine's Day present.
Yeah, he's
so
like, I got
Actually,
this. It's gonna be-
DIY better than you can buy.
I agree. I agree
Yeah,
because
my
you put
brother.
your heart, soul, and blood and tears into it. So
Exactly.
Oh, thanks, babe. I
Yeah.
think we need to see other people.
But better buy something with your DIY stuff.
yeah, just to
Yeah.
be safe, guys. Just to be safe. Don't listen to us.
This is not what she meant by Gucci. This is not Gucci. Do it, your
It's a
sushi.
Do it,
Gucci.
your sushi. Oh gosh.
All right.
You know what? It's
It's interesting for sure.
Interesting.
She's
oh
like,
my god, what's this?
wow, we need to see other people.
You can kill with it, alright?
It feels really heavy, and look at that stitching. It's
Oh
awful.
my. How did you?
But good job, good job,
Good
guy.
job.
Good job.
But
Good effort.
But B for effort.
Oh,
A for
we're
effort.
so bad.
A
We're
for
so
effort.
bad. We're so
A for effort.
You can put two things in this.
No,
guy.
it's actually not.
It's not bad.
It's
Oh,
not bad.
that- come on,
But
you
how
could've-
practical is it?
It's
Not.
zero.
It's zero. How practical? Okay. How,
Although you can probably take it and whack it on someone's head.
That's
Someone's-
practical.
So that's
Yeah,
practical.
self-defense.
That's practical.
Give us more.
more reactions.
More practical things.
More
Yes.
practical.
Okay.